Today we're at the next door neighbor's house and we've got a project that at first I thought looked easy, and now as I look closer it doesn't look very easy at all. We're going to take out this big bush. Let's get started. I think I'll start with the grapple. I know I'll not be able to pull it out of there with the grapple, but maybe I can push some of this top bush part of it out of the way so I can get in better with the backhoe. I really have no idea how much root there's going to be in that thing, but the stump part of it looks big. Oh my goodness. Okay, so much for a lot of buildup and not much excitement.
That's great.
Trying to get some more mud off of it. Not really getting much off of it, I don't think. Shortest TTWT project in history.
Ever.
Unless we just spend the rest of the afternoon around the bonfire.
Yeah. Sounds like a good idea.
S'mores,
Where's the s'mores?
hot dogs, the like. No, I'll haul this over to the fire pit and then maybe we'll come back and clean up the residue here a little bit. We'd probably smooth that out.
Does it need a little dirt for the hole?
I don't know. It doesn't look too bad, but maybe. It looks like there's a hump around the edge. I'll let you look. I'll be back in a minute.
I actually did find a couple of roots that maybe he can get out with the ripper that are probably from this bush, but I'm not sure. So that'll at least give him something else to do. That one I just pulled up. Well, that one I pulled out.
Thank you. Wow, by the time I got back, you had most of it picked up. I thought I'd have to dig in there and find some roots.
Well, I had found one root that I think you've probably got up now. But other than that, it really was all loose stuff. There wasn't much to it.
Low ratings on this particular episode.
Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna have to make up some drama.
I think we might have to find something else to do.
Tune in next time to see Tim and Christy with Tractor Time with Tim.
Do something more exciting?
Do something exciting.
But yeah. At least the neighbor will be happy.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can pile that up a little bit. I could drive over that and mash that down a little bit. I don't know what else more we need to do with it.
Yeah. Yeah, flatten it out a little bit, and then they can decide if they want to grow grass here or plant something else. Tilling with your grapple.
Okay, so here's the toughest test of the day. Can I pick up this single handful of brush? Now it's easy to pick up a big handful of brush, but how about a little pile like this?
I think you can do it. Wow.
Folks, if you really want to test a grapple and how effective it can be, don't look at the huge loads that people pick up. That's easy. Look at the tiny loads. That's how you do detail work. Observations from Tractor Time with Tim.
I do see one good point from this video. Sometimes you think a project is going to take a long time. We looked at that and thought it wasn't going to be easy.
We put this off for over a year.
Yeah. And the other day we were driving out of our lane and our neighbor was over here with a handsaw, was going to cut it all back, and we felt terrible.
Now, it would have taken her
forever.
3 hours to have cut that back the way she was doing it. She had a little handsaw.
And then she still wouldn't have gotten the root wad out of the ground very easily.
Right. I couldn't decide whether to try to use the big brush mulcher. I put the backhoe on and took a bucket off to put the ripper tooth on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wasted a lot of time doing that.
So you spent more time getting ready for this than you did actually doing the project.
More time getting ready and more time fretting about it even before that.
That's true. But if you're going to do this for hire, you can do, oh, this is going to take a long time. This is going to be terrible. No,
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
You can, but that's part of what makes project estimating difficult too.
Yes,
you don't have any idea how long something like this is going to take.
Yeah, and sometimes it has taken a while. We've had some bushes that are buried really deep and have a lot of different root systems, and
Yeah.
it did take a long time, but not this one.
Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm sure you were on the edge of your seats the entire time.
I'm sure.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.